Ever wondered how to write effective prompts for AI? As we venture into the captivating world of artificial intelligence, we encounter a vital tool, AI prompts. These aren't just ordinary inputs. They're like keys, unlocking a world of creativity and innovation that AI can offer. Imagine having the ability to generate engaging text, create fascinating images, or even craft stunning videos, all with the help of AI. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not far from it. The real trick, the real magic, lies in how you write these prompts. The right prompt can be the difference between a bland output and an extraordinarily vibrant one. It's like the difference between a simple sketch and a masterpiece painting. You see, AI is a tool, and a prompt is your way of telling it exactly what you want. So, how do I write these magical prompts? You may ask. Well, hold on to your seats, because we're about to unravel that mystery. Writing prompts for AI is an art, and like any art, it can be mastered. It's a process that requires understanding, precision, and a touch of creativity. So, let's dive into the art of writing AI prompts. First off, understanding the AI's language model is crucial. You're essentially communicating with an AI, and like any conversation, it helps to know the language. In this case, the language is data, vast amounts of text data that the AI has been trained on. The AI doesn't actually understand the meaning of words, but it recognizes patterns in the data it's been fed. Therefore, your prompts should align with these patterns to get the desired output. Next, specificity is key. If your prompt is too vague, the AI might produce results that are wide off the mark. For instance, if you're asking an AI to generate a fantasy story, simply saying, "Write a fantasy story," might not cut it. You could instead say, "Write a fantasy story about a young wizard who discovers a secret magical world." The more specific your prompt, the more tailored your results will be. Then, don't be afraid to experiment. AI is not a one-size-fits-all solution, and what works for one prompt might not work for another. Try different approaches, play around with the wording, and see what the AI comes up with. You might be surprised at the variety of responses you can get. Finally, refining and iterating on your prompts is essential. Writing an effective AI prompt is often a process of trial and error. You write a prompt, see what the AI generates, refine the prompt, and repeat. It's a continuous cycle of learning and improving. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more prompts you write, the better you'll become. So keep honing your skills, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep learning. Because the art of writing AI prompts is a journey, not a destination. Ready to take your prompt writing to the next level? Let's dive deep into the world of advanced prompt writing techniques, where every word you craft can shape the output in fascinating ways. Our first stop is system messages. Think of these as friendly nudges to guide the AI along the path you've envisioned. Instead of merely stating the task, you could weave in some context or instructions. For example, instead of saying, "Translate this text to French," you could use, "Imagine you're a professional translator and your job is to convert this English text into fluent French." You see, it's the same task, but the latter sets an expectation of quality and professionalism. Next, we'll explore setting the tone and style. This is where you get to infuse some personality into the AI's responses. Want a formal tone? Ask the AI to imagine it's a butler. Prefer something witty and casual? Tell it to think like a stand-up comedian. The AI is like a chameleon, ready to adapt to the tone and style you set. Now let's talk about tokens. Tokens are the building blocks of the AI's understanding. Each token could be a word, part of a word, or even punctuation. The AI's capacity is measured in tokens, and understanding how to effectively use them can significantly improve your results. For example, if you have a long prompt, you might need to trim it down so the AI has enough tokens left to generate a meaningful response. It's a bit like packing a suitcase for a trip. You need to balance what you take with you, the prompt, and what you bring back, the response. Understanding these advanced techniques can transform your prompt writing from good to great. They allow you to guide the AI, set the desired tone and style, and maximize the use of tokens. It's like having a set of secret cheat codes to navigate the AI's capabilities. With these advanced techniques, you can truly unlock the full potential of AI. Now that you know how to write effective prompts, what's next? Well, the possibilities are quite limitless. Effective AI prompts can revolutionize content creation in ways you may not have imagined. They can transform the blogging landscape, making it easier for writers to generate fresh and engaging content. In video scripting, they can provide a new level of creativity and efficiency, allowing for scripts that are captivating and timely. In ad creation, they can help generate innovative and compelling campaigns that truly speak to the target audience. But remember, the AI landscape is as vast as it is dynamic. It's a realm where constant learning and experimentation are key. Don't be afraid to test the boundaries, to push the limits of what's possible. There's always room for improvement, always room for growth. The world of AI is vast and ever-changing, and effective prompt writing is your key to unlocking its wonders. So, are you ready to change the way you create content with effective AI prompts? We've journeyed through the magic, the art, and the advanced techniques of AI prompt writing. We've seen how it can revolutionize your content, whether it's text, images, or even videos. The world is at your fingertips, and the AI is your brush, your pen, your camera. But remember, every great artist needs to practice, so don't wait. Start honing your AI prompt writing skills now. Try new things, experiment, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn, grow, and unlock our full potential. And remember, you're not alone on this journey. We're here to guide, support, and inspire you. So if you have doubts or questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Amazing Gen for more insightful content. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment. We're here to help you navigate the world of AI. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep creating. Before we sign off, let's dive a little deeper into the practical application of AI prompts. Let's take a look at some examples of AI platforms and how to write prompts for them. First up, we have chatgpt. This text-based AI can be used for generating conversational responses. An example prompt could be, write a response to a customer asking about our refund policy. By providing a clear context and intention, you can harness the power of AI to provide quick, accurate, and helpful responses. Next, let's consider midjourney. This image-based AI can generate images based on prompts. An example prompt could be, generate an image of a serene beach at sunset. The more descriptive your prompt, the more vivid and accurate the resulting image will be. Lastly, we have InVideo. This video-based AI can create videos based on prompts. An example prompt could be, create a video showcasing the highlights of a beach vacation. Remember, when writing prompts for video, think about the narrative you want to convey and the emotions you want to evoke. These are just a few examples of the many AI platforms out there. Remember, the key to effective prompt writing is understanding the AI's capabilities and experimenting with different prompts. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and push the boundaries of what's possible. And with that, we've come to the end of our deep dive into AI prompt writing. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. Remember, the future of content creation is in your hands, and AI is the tool to help you shape it. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep creating